Deep beneath our feet, hidden under layers of rock and time, lies a substance that has shaped civilizations. We call it petroleum or crude oil. It is a thick black liquid often found with natural gas. For centuries, people have been fascinated by this strange substance. It seeped from the ground, a curious gift from the earth. Long before its use as fuel, petroleum had other uses. Its properties, both useful and mysterious, captivated ancient people. They recognized its potential for light, heat, and even medicine. This is the story of petroleum, a journey from ancient wonder to modern marvel. The story of petroleum begins thousands of years ago. Evidence suggests that humans have used petroleum for over 6,000 years. Imagine our ancestors encountering this strange substance for the first time. They saw it bubbling from the ground or collecting in pools. Its flammable nature would have been both intriguing and daunting. Early humans quickly discovered practical uses for this rock oil. They used it to start fires, waterproof baskets, and even as a primitive adhesive. In ancient Mesopotamia, around 4000 BC, people used bitumen, a form of petroleum, to construct buildings and roads. These early encounters with petroleum were just the beginning of a long and intertwined history. The ancient Mesopotamians living in the land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers were among the first to utilize petroleum extensively. They called it naphtha, meaning to ignite. The name reflects their understanding of its most notable property, its flammability. Bitumen, a thicker form of petroleum, was also readily available in this region. The Mesopotamians used it as mortar for bricks, holding together their impressive ziggurats and palaces. They also used it to waterproof their boats, ensuring safe passage on the rivers that were their lifeline. Petroleum, in its various forms, was an integral part of Mesopotamian life. Across the ancient world, in the land of the pharaohs, petroleum played a unique role. The Egyptians, renowned for their mummification practices, used bitumen in their elaborate rituals. They recognized its preservative properties, using it to embalm the bodies of their deceased. But the Egyptians saw beyond its use in the afterlife. They utilized petroleum for more practical purposes as well. They used it as a sealant for boats, and in the construction of roads. Even their medicines and cosmetics contained petroleum byproducts. The Egyptians, like the Mesopotamians, found diverse applications for this versatile substance. Section 5, From Ancient Wonders to Modern Marvels. From the ancient ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the pyramids of Egypt, petroleum has left its mark on history. For thousands of years it remained a curiosity, a valuable resource used in construction, medicine, and religious rites. Little did our ancestors know that this sticky black liquid would one day fuel a global civilization. The transition from ancient uses to the modern petroleum age was a gradual process driven by innovation and necessity. It was not until the 19th century, with the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, that petroleum truly came into its own. Section 6, The Rise of Black Gold, Industrial Revolution and Beyond. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in human history, and with it, the importance of petroleum skyrocketed. The invention of the kerosene lamp in the mid-1800s created a huge demand for this cleaner burning fuel. Suddenly, homes and streets could be lit with a brilliance never seen before. As industries boomed, so did the need for fuel. The discovery of oil wells in Pennsylvania in 1859 ushered in the modern oil age. The invention of the internal combustion engine in the late 19th century solidified petroleum's dominance as a fuel source. The world was changing, and petroleum was at the heart of this transformation. Section 7. Fueling the world, petroleum's role in modern transportation. The 20th century witnessed the rise of the automobile, and with it, an insatiable thirst for petroleum. Cars, Trucks, ships, and airplanes relied on this energy-dense fuel. Petroleum powered the world, literally and figuratively. It facilitated trade, connected people across continents, and fueled economic growth. But, the reliance on petroleum came at a cost. The extraction and refining processes raised environmental concerns. The quest for oil led to geopolitical tensions and conflicts. The world began to grapple with the complex consequences of its dependence on this finite resource. Section 8, Beyond Fuel. The surprising versatility of petroleum. While petroleum is best known as a fuel source, its applications extend far beyond powering our vehicles. It serves as a crucial raw material in countless industries: plastics, fertilizers, synthetic fabrics, cosmetics, and even some medicines rely on petroleum byproducts. Our modern world is intricately linked to petroleum. It is woven into the fabric of our lives, often in ways we don't even realize. From the clothes we wear to the devices we use, petroleum plays a ubiquitous role. Section 9, A Future Uncertain: The Challenges and Opportunities of Petroleum. As we move further into the 21st century, the future of petroleum remains uncertain. Climate change, dwindling reserves, and environmental concerns have sparked a global push for renewable energy sources. The need to transition to a more sustainable future is clear. However, petroleum will likely continue to play a role in our lives for the foreseeable future. The challenge lies in finding a balance between meeting our energy needs and protecting our planet. Innovation, conservation, and a global commitment to sustainability will be key to navigating this complex landscape. Section 10. A Legacy of Innovation, reflecting on petroleum's impact. The story of petroleum is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring quest for progress. From its humble beginnings as rock oil to its central role in shaping the modern world, petroleum has left an undeniable mark on human civilization. As we look to the future, it is crucial to learn from the lessons of the past. The challenges posed by climate change and resource depletion demand innovative solutions. Just as our ancestors found ingenious ways to utilize petroleum, we must now harness our collective knowledge to create a more sustainable future for generations to come.